powerful prompt. That is few shorts example. Few shorts example is the pattern and the idea behind is, suppose this is a large language model and you have to train that language model. You will train that language model. Suppose you have some specific pattern in your mind and you are saying, if I get the answer using that pattern, it will be very helpful for me. So you have some pattern in your mind and you will tell ChatGPT, hey, this is the pattern I would like to have from you, and you follow this pattern and you provide me the answer so that I can understand, because that pattern will helpful for me. So you will educate that pattern, you will teach that pattern, you will feed that pattern to large language model like ChatGPT or any other AI tools. So you will provide that pattern to ChatGPT or any other large language model and you will say, this is my pattern, I want to have the answer. So now ChatGPT will think, okay, this is the pattern, okay, I will follow this pattern and I will provide the answer. I use this, I personally, all of the pattern I use for various work, but this pattern I particularly use for improving my Tamil language skill, because I am from Kolkata. Okay, I am from Kolkata and now I am in Bangalore. For my job purpose, I have come here just for the February month I came. This year, February month I came. And now, as I am in Bangalore, so here my colleagues and all those people, they speak in Tamil only. Tamil, Kannada only. So most of them are Tamil only. So what I need to learn the Tamil language. I need to learn the not a single word I learned from here, but nowadays I am learning for 1 month or 2 months. I am learning this language just using this pattern. So I will show you. Suppose you want to learn any language, might be not only for language, but here I am taking one example as of language. Suppose you want to learn Spanish, you want to learn English, you want to learn Hindi, you want to learn Bengali, you want to learn German, you want to learn any other language. So here I am taking only one example, that is the language, but literally you can learn anything with this pattern. So I will show you this pattern. The pattern is like this. This is the pattern. So let me copy this pattern and then I will explain it and then we will practice. So this is the pattern. Let me make it full and let me take a fresh page. See what I am saying. I am saying in English, I am educating this large language model about my pattern. Okay, this is my pattern. I am educating ChatGPT. So my pattern is, suppose I am telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, in English, good morning, how are you? This is one sentence. Good morning, how are you? This sentence you translate in French. So in French it is like bonjour, comment, kava, kava or kava it will be. Okay, anyway, so how I get this French? I use ChatGPT and I got I got it from ChatGPT only. Okay, so just to train ChatGPT or any other large language model, I used this English prompt and I said convert into French. So it has given me this answer. So now I have created this pattern. So now the second thing I am asking, I am telling ChatGPT, I am not asking, I am just telling ChatGPT, I am trying to fit ChatGPT this pattern. So now the second pattern I am telling ChatGPT in English, thank you for your help. So if you convert in Spanish, how would it be? It would be gracias por tu ayuda. Okay, cool. I don't know Spanish. In English, I would like to order a coffee. So if you pronounce, if you translate this sentence in German language, how it would be? Ich ich mochte Ihnen Kaffee bestellen. I don't know whether I pronounce it correctly or wrong. Pardon me for that. And that is not our goal though. Anyway, now I am coming to my problem. My problem is I am telling ChatGPT in English, I will go office tomorrow. This is the English sentence, and now convert in Tamil. I have written Tamil and then I have entered the question mark. So my objective is I want to learn Tamil language. In your case it might be different. Now from English, so it may be you can learn Spanish language, you can learn any other language. It might be French language, it might be Spanish language, it might be German language, and not only language, any other thing also you can do. Just you need to use your brain, and according your problem, you can get the result out of it. Okay, so now see how it responds. So my problem is, I know English, I know some basic English, and I want to learn Tamil language. So what I can do is, I have already said ChatGPT in English. I will go office tomorrow. You translate it in Tamil language. Now see how it responds. This is my pattern. I have already trained that chat gpt. Okay, now see, in Tamil you would say this is the language, but I can't read, and I can read and I can write. But after that, you can see it has also given in English pronunciation also. Nan nalai alu alu bhala kattinuru poka pokiren. Okay, even I don't know good Tamil. Just I have started. Very simple words only I can understand, otherwise I can't see. So likewise I can practice. So now again I will say, suppose one sentence I have learned. Okay, one sentence I have learned. Now I will say English. What I have written, how are you, how are you. Okay, now I'll go shift enter, and I will say Tamil. I will say Tamil. Now see, now my English sentence is how are you. I want to translate it in Tamil. See, now it has understood my pattern. So now it is giving me in Tamil. You would say ninkal epatti iru kirirkal. Ninkal ipatti iru kirirkal. Okay, so that is it. Now again, second sentence I have learned. Now the third sentence I will learn. English. Today is holiday. Today is holiday. Then I will go to shift enter, and I will write Tamil. Today is a holiday. Yes, Jagadish, you can. Yes, you can. Okay. English. Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday in Tamil. Sorry, Tamil. Now I will again press enter. See, now it is saying in Tamil. You would say Inru Oru Vitu. Jagadish, please read for me and tell to the other A. Inru Oru Vitu Muraik Nalaham. I don't know whether I pronounce it correctly or wrong, but this is it. So likewise, I just wanted to make you understand that how you can learn anything. So for my case, I want to learn Tamil language. That's why I have. So now what I will do is, again I will ask English. English. I will say tomorrow. I will go office. So now here is one sentence. So now see, now what I will do is, let's I will not write the Tamil. I will just English sentence I will write. English. Tomorrow I will go office. Now let's press enter, and now see what happens. See, I did not use this second line. I have used only English. English. Tomorrow I will go office. Okay, now I did not mention that second line, that is Tamil language I want to translate, because now you have now the chat gpt, now the large language model, it has understood that okay, what I want this format. I have already given this format. Then then the next thing what I did, English, then Tamil, then the again then I used English plus Tamil, and now I am not using that second line. I am not using. I am using only the English language. Okay, English. Tomorrow I will go office. Now it has given me in a Tamil language. Now it has translated in English language only. Now let's see. I will not English. I will not write this English word also. Now I will say, uh, uh, how what you do. For example, what you do. Now I will not write this English sentence also. Now see how it works, whether it works or not. See, I did not write the English also. So now this language pattern is understanding, already understood that what I want. I am providing the English sentences and it should produce the Tamil language. So now see, first thing I reduce the single line, then I reduced the English sentence also. Now it has understood that this is the English language only. So that's why I did not mention the English language also. I have just only written the English sentences. I did not mention it, and it has understood that which pattern, what I said English. It already understood, and accordingly it has given me the answer. Ninkal enna seyu Kirirkal. Okay, so this is it now. So likewise, I just wanted to understand you. I want to make you understand that how this pattern, the few shots example pattern, works for you. Okay, I think you have got idea, and this is one of the super powerful, prompt you can use for learning anything. If you want to suppose, in this case, for another example may can be taken that, suppose one customer is there, one representative is there. One customer is there, one representative is there. So customer is saying this, yeah, your product is very bad, like this. Representative, the sales representative is saying, okay, okay sir, okay madam, how can we, like that kind of thing. So how a customer and agent, how they communicate. So this kind of thing you can create and you can provide the answer, and literally you can learn anything with this pattern. So I think you have understood, and you have got the clarity how this pattern works. Few shorts example patterns work. So so that is it. Actually I think you have got the idea. There are three advanced level prompt I shared with you. That is the persona. That is, the first thing is gameplay pattern, the second thing is persona pattern, and the third thing is that a few shorts example. So this is one of the best powerful pattern I have shared with you. And in my advanced program, as I told you, there are 25 plus advanced module and 90 plus example. So there you can master that prompt engineering, and the basic beginner to intermediate also there are 30 plus modules. So I think, so now I think you have got the idea. This is the course module that ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery. There are few basic things. Welcome. What is ChatGPT? All the basic things are there. Who can use ChatGPT? How to? All these things are there. What is prompt engineering? This is the basic things. The main thing is starting from here. How to write effective prompt, beginner to intermediate level. Here I have covered more than 30 plus modules. See, it is already updated. More than 30 plus modules are there. It is beginner to intermediate level. More than 30 plus modules are covered, and more than 100 plus examples are given. This is the beginner to intermediate level. Then coming to how to write effective prompt, it is the advanced level only. Advanced level, here I have covered more than 25 plus, though the numbering is not there, but it is 25 plus. See here the persona pattern, questions refinement pattern, cognitive verifier pattern, flipped interaction pattern, gameplay pattern, template pattern, meta language creation pattern, recipe pattern. All the patterns are there. Here more than 25 plus patterns are there. Okay, so you can literally, you will master ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. Now best practices, it is also the general thing. Then another powerful module is practical case studies. See here I have covered more than 50 industry. I think more than 50 industry means, suppose how you can use ChatGPT for a blog post, how you can use ChatGPT for LinkedIn post, how you can use ChatGPT for Facebook and Quora post, how you can use ChatGPT as a language teacher, as a math teacher, as a fitness trainer, as a dietitian, as a expert nutritionist, as an expert chef, as an expert interviewer, as a as a how you can write, how you can use ChatGPT for writing your Facebook ad copy, for landing page copy, for email copy, for writing a ebook, for practicing your Excel, for create your PPT, for creating your business plan. All these things are there. How you can take the help of ChatGPT for creating your video script, and how you can debug and create your SQL code or the Python code. All these things are there. How you can use ChatGPT as a financial planner, career coach, beautician, health coach. All the industry I have covered, and later on also, if any industry is missed, then I will cover those industry also. How to generate an idea with ChatGPT, how to write, how to create a real script, all that workout plan, diet plan, how you can use ChatGPT, and you can do all those things. This is also one powerful module I have created. And then the next module is AI tools mastery course. AI tools mastery course, here I have a plan that I will cover more than 50 plus tools, AI tools, that will make you super powerful, super productive, and reduce your lot of working time and save your lots of money. So I will cover more than 50 plus more than 50 plus AI tools. So as of now it is, I think 20 is already updated and other things are blank. So I will update more than 50 plus AI tools, super powerful AI tools, that will make us super productive, that will reduce our suppose, if I want to take an example, a lot of tools. Actually I can't take any single example. For interview purpose, for LinkedIn profile optimization purpose, for PPT purpose, you can create a PPT within 5 minutes, you can create a website within 10 minutes, you can create any video within 2 minutes only. So that's kind of AI tools I have already covered, and other, and later on also I will update all those things. More than 50 plus AI tools I will cover in this module. Then the next powerful module is job hunting mastery course. Suppose you want to prepare yourself for job and you want to apply for jobs. For the first to last I have covered how to identify your skill, then how you can identify your personality, how you can write your ATS friendly CV resume, how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile, how you can build your network, then how you can prepare your there are few platform, international and national platform also, where you can apply for your jobs, how you can practice your interview, how you can improve your interview. All the details things are explained here. Then the next module is side hustle mastery course. Side hustle mastery course, here I have mentioned, suppose you are a working professional and you want to start your side hustle. Suppose you want to start your some based on your hobby, or based on your interest, you want to start your startup, or you want to start for some additional some income, you want to start your side hustle. So what you can do is, from beginning to end I have written everything, that how what is side hustle and how to generate ideas for side hustle. Then you have taken the idea, now your idea needs to be validated, correct? So how you can identify, validate your idea, how you can create your website, how you can create your brand, how you can create your brand logo, how you can create your content for your blog post, how you can create videos for your website, how you can SEO friendly content you can write, and all the things I have covered. The how you can create network, how you can generate audio, all the detailed information I have mentioned. And this is the last powerful tool is AI art creation mastery course, where you will be able to create professional level art image that you can create. Here I did not update anything as of now, so I have a plan, I will do it. There are 5-6 modules will be there. So this is the course module, entire course module. And I think it is more than advanced, actually expert level. So I think you have got the idea what you will learn, a lot of details. And as of now I can promise you, as of now this is one of the best course on ChatGPT and AI tools. Okay, so this is it. And I think you have got the idea. Now the thing is, if you are interested in, and if you think it is important, see,